Air City Loft Apartments. The gray buildings are the ones that are currently occupied or for lease. And the brown one they're still working on. I can't tell if it's same size apartments or probably is. Just a bigger building. A little bumpy because I got the big camera today and it's heavy. And we'll take a left. Trying to make it so it's a little bright. Hard to tell. I got it on ISO of 200 and it's still kind of dark. At least it looks dark. A lot of bad drivers on Griffiths. Case in point, a lot of bad drivers. I have yet to see any traffic enforcement. I mean, you have police assigned and working on Griffiths. I've never seen them ever hand out any type of ticket. Ever. I don't know what the hell they do all day. Notice how these storefronts on the lobby area, they're still for lease. I think the pandemic kind of prevented a lot of the businesses from moving in. But that's the new building. You can really see it. There we are. You can really see it. There we are. A little brighter. But they're still working on that one. But like I said, kids in the summertime, you're going to have a lot of kids around here. You got traffic that, and I'm not talking about the residents of this place. I'm talking about the people that just like to drive through these roads like idiots day and night. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me in the summertime if a kid gets hit by a car around here. And we'll take a little drive. But all these lobby fronts are for mainly businesses, and they have yet to get filled. Hey, that fat bike, electric bike. Hey.
How you doing?
Pretty good.
I've seen your YouTube videos.
Yeah, I haven't done it in a while, so I came out today for Flag Day over there at the B-52.
Cool flags, and I got them all lined up over there.
And I notice how you're building more right here.
Yeah, we're flying. Over here, we're going to pour the slab for this next building tomorrow.
Are they going to be the same as these?
They're going to look kind of the same, but they're different. At least these two buildings are completely different. So this is the first one that we've ever done. It's going to be all apartments. There's not going to be any commercial space on the first floor.
I think the pandemic kind of killed you guys in the lobby area, did it?
They're going to be moving in, hopefully, some commercial tenants.
I figured the summertime they'll start.
I appreciate your interest in the projects, though. Just be safe, man.
Yeah, I've checked them out, the businesses back there, like Boss and all that.
Awesome. You ever had Stanwix there?
I'm afraid they're expensive.
They're a little expensive. Yeah, it's tasty though. You get what you pay for.
I'll try them one of these days.
All right, man. Well, have a good day. Be safe.
See ya. That was the boss. The boss of Benicio Construction. So those will be completed soon. One of these days I'll get a freebie of seeing what the inside is like when they have an open house.